How to create a sales funnel for free for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you're looking to get started with building your own sales funnel for your product or service, you can easily build it online using any platform like system.io. So the first thing you have to do is head on over to system.io.me and click on create a free account. From here, you can see that you can create your free account without having to sign up with your credit card. So you're just going to click on get my free account over here and you're going to enter your email address and then you're going to click on get my free account. Now, once you do that, you want to head on over to your mail address and you want to open up your mail address. You're going to get your confirmation link. So you want to click on this confirmation link and then you want to add a password for your account. And then you're going to verify that you're not a robot and click on save over here. Once you click on save, we will be headed to our dashboard for system.io. So from here, our actual work will start and we'll start building our sales funnel. Now, in any sales funnels, there will be different types of stages. You guys can see that if you click on funnels over here, it will be empty. Then you also have a separate section for sales. So in your sales, you have transactions, subscriptions, affiliate, as well as your own affiliate program. Now let's build a simple sales funnel. Now, what I recommend is that you do add any contacts or emails that you have before you build your sales funnel, simply because it's a lot easier to manage it that way. But we're going to be focusing on sales funnels, not the entire system.io platform. So I'm going to be moving towards funnels. Now you will see the funnel section and a lot of people wonder what exactly does a sales funnel mean. Now a funnel is a representation of the customer's journey. Usually this is during the sale process. So how exactly is a person going to add an item to their cart? They're going to click on the checkout button. From the checkout button, they're going to be headed towards the billing form. Then when they fill out the billing form, they're going to get a confirmation email. So all of these little steps build up your sales funnel and you can easily build them on system.io. So what you want to do is click on create over here on the top right. Then you will create your funnel. Now, the first thing you have to do is name your sales funnel. And after that, you have your funnel goal. Now, each funnel goal will be different. For some, it might be to get a audience. So that would not primarily be a sales funnel. That is usually just a sign up kind of form. Then you have a custom sales funnel where maybe you're trying to get people to subscribe to your platform or you're trying to advertise a particular type of product, anything like that. So if you have anything specific in mind, you can build a custom sales funnel from scratch as well. Or you can choose to run a webinar to automate your business, or we're just looking to sell a product or service. So we're going to click on sell, and on the bottom you have your currency. So we're going to continue with the dollar. Now, once your funnel has been created, you can click on the particular sales funnel and you will start configuring it. So you will see on the left side of your screen, you have all of the steps that are present within this pre-existing sales funnel. So you have your order form, thank you page, and this is an inactive page. So this page is displayed when the funnel is disabled. Now, there might be some other steps that you might want to add for your particular sales funnel. So if I click on view funnel over here, or you guys can see it's giving me a couple of different templates for my order form. And then if I click on thank you page, it's giving me templates for that as well. But if I want to add another step into my sales funnel, I can click on create step and name this, let's say after the order form, I have my, and then you can choose the step type. So whether it's a squeeze page, opt-in thank you page, inline form, pop-up form, a order form, upsell, downsell, sales page, a webinar registration page, a miscellaneous page. So let's say this is going to be a upsell page and I'm going to click on save over here. Now after that, I want to move this page above my thank you page. So I'm going to click on the left side over here and move this up. Now from here, I want to start building my pages. So you'll see simply by clicking on your order form on the left menu bar, you can choose a particular type of page configuration. Now let's say I want to use a simple one. I can click on select over here. And you can preview your templates as well, but I'm just going to click on select. Once you click on select, you can name the page. And you can also view the particular page or click on edit page like so. And this will open up the page editor, and you can add any kind of information or your own custom image, whatever you want, into the particular page. You have your tax numbers. I don't want that, so if I don't want a particular item, I can remove it like this. I don't want company names, and I don't have companies like this, so just the name and email and phone number is enough. And I'm gonna click on save changes. And just like that, the checkout page will be built. Now, I recommend that you build your checkout page in accordance to your particular item. Obviously, for clothing brands or for maybe retail brands, it will be different. For subscription-based platforms, it's going to be different. Now, after I have set up a particular page, I will click on Upsell Confirmation, which is my second step in my sales funnel. Now, in the second step of my sales funnel, I want to build a basic page. So what I want to do is you can take a very simple kind of template and you can customize that. Like, this template is nice. You'll never see this page again. Buy this item and get, blah, blah, blah item free. So you can click on edit page over here. You can offer a 10% discount or any kind of discount that you might want to offer. I'm gonna click on save changes because we're focusing on building our funnel. Page customization really is pretty individualized, so you can click on any item to replace or remove it and click on blocks to add your own personal blocks. Usually for this, you want to click on the block section and you want to click on opt-in forms. So within your opt-in forms, you have a bunch of different forms you can add within your upsell page as well, which can be a lucrative way for people to purchase your items. Now, after that, you have your thank you page. So I'm just going to choose this page. Thank you for your purchase. Click on select, click on save. And then after that, once you have your particular item or sales funnel ready, you will see, if you click on funnels over here, I will click on view and you will see our sales funnel is ready. Obviously, this is not for any particular item, so it's currently empty, but if you are building this for your subscription-based courses, I particularly recommend it for subscription-based courses or any kind of affiliate. This type of sales funnel is simple, effective, and it gets the job done without making it too confusing for your customers to navigate through. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you also have your leads and sales directly over here. You have your deadline as well, so you can add a deadline to a particular page. A funnel step can be reordered once the deadline for a particular page is expired. So if you're only providing a upsell for a particular time, you can click on deadline, select a particular deadline for that, and once you do that, you can set a previous page as the redirect page once the original page has expired. Now, in this way, you can build a simple sales funnel, and once your funnel is built, you will be ready to get started in your affiliate marketing or retail journey. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.